happening, guys? Welcome back to another episode. The reason why I'm doing another POV is because number one, I enjoy these kind of videos a lot, even though it leaves a weird wavy line on my forehead, which is quite funny actually. But we're going to be doing a draggy. It is absolutely banging weather, so I hope you guys are all enjoying the weather while you can. It lasts. As you guys know, England is terrible weather 90% of the time. The roads are dry, my tires are nice and hot, the car's at good temperature, so I won't be ragging it too much as it's too hot. It's not running meth, all that stuff like that. For the people that are new to my channel, I am running the OP1000 kit, so it's only running around 600 to 650 brake, so it's a lot of power for a 1 series. It does have a TU pump with an open diff. So guys, I'm not expecting amazing numbers, but I'm expecting a lot of fun, and that's it. There is no number games, there's no challenges, no competition, none of that negative nonsense. It's just all about having fun, burning rubber, and yeah, and obviously guys, making it as entertaining as possible. But stay tuned, this is going to be good. Yeah. The guy's like, this guy's got a fucking camera on his forehead. But yeah, so let's get this car ready. Actually, it won't do it in Sport Plus, will it? Ready? 3, 2. Oh wow. No. You guys don't even want to know the numbers. You do not want to know the numbers. Okay, that was absolutely terrible. That was rubbish. Oops. Let's give that one more go, because what it's telling me is I did 0 to 60 in 11.6 seconds. That is rubbish. That is absolutely rubbish. Okay, so last go. So brake nice and hard. Woo! Yeah, not gonna happen. Car's spinning out way too much. Yeah, I'm chucking it back in eco, because yeah, I'm just chucking it back in eco. There is no sort of explanation to it. Yeah, this is just not going to work out at all. As much as I try to launch this thing as much as I can, the last thing I need is attracting unwanted attention. So let's give it one more go and see. Let's chuck it in low boost, because high boost is just too much. So give it one more go. So reset. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Launch control. Yeah, not gonna happen. It's just not gonna do it at all, which is very, very annoying. I think I can't even launch the bloody thing. I mean, without actually engaging, I'm gonna try now without engaging launch control. So just doing it in normal sport. I'm hoping it doesn't spin out or anything. Which is not that bad. So now we've that's actually not that bad. There was quite a fair amount of wheel spin, but yeah, it's not gonna happen. What a what an idiot. So yeah, so I will park up quickly and show you guys what we've done for not launching, but launching without launch control. So this should be interesting actually. I'm quite surprised actually at that number. So as you guys know, I tried to launch with the traction off. It was just not gonna happen, for the love of God. So yeah, so what we did was a 0 to 60 in 5.6 seconds. With, remember guys, 5.6 seconds 0 to 60 on an open diff on Michelin Pilot Sport 4s, so the OK tires, and with a huge ass turbo which kicks in around 3k. So yeah, to be fair actually, 0 to 60 in 5.6 seconds with traction on is not that bad. I'm impressed. It's not amazing numbers, but it's pretty decent for the current setup. I mean, don't get me wrong guys, my setup on the 140i is total rubbish. The setup on this car is crap, but I did that on purpose to kind of test it out and see what we can do. But yeah, trying with traction off is just ain't gonna happen. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Obviously stay tuned for more. I'm gonna be posting when I'm back from Germany, and we are gonna go from there, but we are gonna end the vlog off. And before I do, let's do some spirited driving. And yeah, so launch again because it's funny. Whoa! Yeah. Bloody hell. This thing does have a tendency to go sideways. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! Oh my god! And in my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed. Whoa! What the f? Oh my god! Holy mother! Whoa! Okay, I need to relax because for the first time in my life, I'm gonna say this, I don't feel safe in this car at all. It's just when it grips, it goes, and when I mean goes, it fucking moves. But yeah, as you like, a lot of people are gonna say, "Oh, the launch," and no, you know what? These cars weren't built for 0 to 60 or any sort of launching. And even with an LSD, obviously it will do some serious numbers, but not like quattro numbers. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Obviously, stay tuned for more. And yeah, obviously I shall see you guys next week.